I'm Shannon Loy with The Social Ginger. Today we're going to talk about what is the meaning behind the hashtag. I mean, really, time and time again I hear from client after client telling me, why do I need to use a hashtag? So if you're a novice at social media, the hashtag is probably not making much sense to you. Well, today I'm going to show you and tell you about why that is important to use in your social media. Right now, you may be thinking, a hashtag looks kind of silly, like what's the point, right? Well, by using a hashtag before a word or a series of words connected together, you have now created a searchable link that will tie your post in to anybody else who's having a similar conversation, such as, I might use to promote this video, hashtag social media. Well, hashtag social media might get to anybody who's looking for posts on social media. So it's very helpful to install a hashtag in your post for this reason. So my recommendation is to only use 1 to 2 hashtags per post. That would be for Twitter and Facebook and LinkedIn. Yes, you can use hashtags on LinkedIn. If you use more than that, you'll actually make your post seem more spammy. So my recommendation is to stick to only 1 or 2 that are important content-related hashtags. You could also potentially throw in a more branded hashtag. That way, later on, all of your posts will seamlessly connect together based off that branded hashtag. Now, as far as Instagram is a little bit different beast. Instagram is actually driven by hashtags. So when you post on Instagram, you are going to want to use anywhere between 7 and 10 hashtags. You want to find those hashtags that are trending, that are also pertinent to what you're trying to post. Now get out there and start using hashtags today. This will help you get your post seen by others who may not have normally have seen your post, so do it. I'm Shannon from The Social Ginger, and I want to thank you for watching today. I'll see you next time.